Yes, we're back again in ACIERO Design Studio. Today I'm here and I want to show you the second launch before we launch the new product. Today we're back again in the design studio. Welcome back. You're watching ACIERO Amsterdam, and today we're back again in my design studio. As you know, last time we launched a product, I think that's like a month ago, we launched the silk mask, and we only launched it in black and white. And if you didn't see that video, click over here, it will be linked there and you can check out that video after you've checked out this one. So for most of you who don't know me, I design silk products in the Netherlands. I also help people with their businesses and that kind of thing. So I own a design studio called ACIERO Design Studio. I design products and services. So I recently started designing silk masks, which I've put on the market and being selling on my online store. But I've been getting clients who are asking, do you have it in this color? Do you have it in this color? And initially, I only wanted to launch this mask in black and white. Of course, it's a very good sell because we are selling these masks every day almost. But I have also launched the colors you have been requesting for. So for most of you who are Dutch, you know we call the silk masks mondkapjes. Yeah, side mondkapjes. So, and if you want to talk about a color like pink, they call it rosa mondkapje inside. So, but this is an English video. I'm very sorry for, giving your translation for my Dutch viewers because they already know what it is because they also speak English. Apparently, we have launched this mask in a variety of colors. I have launched this mask in a pink, as you can see. It's pink and it's really this blushing pink. It's not, it's not like a baby pink. It's a blush pink, which really looks good. It's very versatile and it's very, very fashionable. So I also launched this mask in beige. For most of you who want to have something that's nude on your skin, the same color of your skin, I think beige is a very good color for you to explore on your outfits, especially if you're someone who wears outfits that are muted and not so colorful and you don't want to stand out. So I think this one, and of course we have also other 3 colors. We launched this product in 5 more colors plus the initial 2 colors. So in total we have 7 colors available on our web store. If you're interested in the silk masks in green, in blue, in gray, pink, beige, please check out our online store. It will be linked in the description link below or in the comment section below for you to be able to purchase your silk mask to protect you from, touching your nose and mouth, and also, give you that fashionable and great look that you're looking for to uplift or accessorize your outfit and give you that freedom for you to go out, do your errands and do everything you need. So they're very affordable. Get them for $19.99 for each. If you order very large order, you get free shipping. And for most of you in the Netherlands, free shipping, and domestic, you also have like international shipping. We also do that. We ship all over the world if you're interested in this product. So don't hesitate to order it because you feel like you're not living in the Netherlands. You can still order it. Payment methods available on our website, which is acieroamsterdam.com. So check it out. We design scarves most of the time, and we help business owners. And we also, this is like my merchandise. Yeah, this is my merchandise on my online store because when I love designing scarves, and I also love using materials like silk, luxury materials. I feel like silk has something natural, is natural, and it's also luxury. It has something about it that you can't explain. You like silk. When you put it on, it's like silk. I know most of you don't know so much about silk, but if you go to my website, you'll see so much information on silk and you can read and enlighten yourself about this special material. For most of you who are new here, consider subscribing, like this video, comment, go to our web shop and buy our masks. And for most of you who are returning subscribers, love you lots. Great you're here, and continue watching our videos on this channel and get also yourself more masks if you've bought yourself once before. And we'll see you in the next video in 1, 2, 3 and go.